I think eliminating processed food, eating whole real food is the number one change that people should make to reduce their risk of heart disease. The more that you can incorporate whole real foods, so these are things that grow in the ground and things that eat the things that grow in the ground. This has consistently been shown in scientific studies to reduce the risk of heart disease. Many in this community know there is some debate about, whether it's better to eat all vegetable products, all meat products, or somewhere in between. But I am not aware of any scientific studies that show eating more processed food can lower your risk of heart disease. And every study that has looked at it that I am aware of has shown that the more you reduce your intake of processed food, the more you reduce your risk of heart disease. So for me, eliminating processed foods is the number one dietary change that can be made to reduce heart disease risk.